Good afternoon. Last day of spring break, and Mama Cat wants to have kind of a nice family evening, understandably. But I got to change this lower control arm on my Patriot here. So this is a Mevotech Supreme part. This is not the one I changed most recently, which you can see on the channel a ways back. This was done in, I want to say October of 2021. Maybe I tagged the boot on installation or something, but it's been failing for a while, and last time I was under there I noticed it was really quite bad. So I got in touch with them, and there was no question at all other than what's my address, and next thing I knew I had a brand new one here. So let's crack it open, make sure it's the right part. I'm sure it is. And then the goal is to do this control arm change in under half an hour. Can I do it? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll try. Right there on the packing slip, Goodwill from Shannon, who I was in contact with. Thank you, Shannon. Mevotech, awesome. Awesome, awesome. Didn't cost me a cent. It's actually slightly different than the old one. They've changed it a little bit. It used to be fully boxed on this end. It's no longer, which is a little bit disappointing, but that's all right. Still got an actual, oh no, we've gone back to a bushing here instead of a bearing. So the ball joint's still lovely, greasable, welded in, staked in. Oh yeah, okay, there it is. All right, let's get her changed out. You're always going to put a new pinch bolt in, so that can go away. Out. Now, there's been some changes to this part. Look at the difference there. I can't say that I'm as impressed with this new part as I am with this old one. To have a bearing back here rather than a bushing, I think is huge. The ball joint, the new one does not look, it is different. It doesn't look as robust as the old one, it has to be said. Which is a shame, but I had considered swapping over ball joints, but I guess I'm not going to be doing that. Oh well, darn. I'll send him an email and see what the reasoning was behind it. Maybe it was just found to be overbuilt. This is still better than OEM. I'll guarantee you that much. What's our time check at? 13 minutes. We're getting close. Okay, now, it's our time check, 27 and a half minutes. Well, we're not going to make the half hour. Ideally, everything gets torqued with the weight of the vehicle on it, you know, straight ahead and everything. Of course, with the tire on, it's really hard to torque everything because I don't have a hoist. So, I'm going to go to plan B. Okay, that's going to approximate sitting on the ground. I got to look up torque specs. Torque specs. 118 front, 135 rear, 60 on the pinch bolt. I wish I'd pulled this under tray off, but I didn't to save time. It's making things quite difficult now though. That's never happened before. Okay, well, as you can see by the clock, didn't make the half hour, but just got to torque the wheel up and that's it. Still pretty happy. I think I'm, yeah, within an hour anyway, 45 minutes or so. It's not too bad. I'm a little tired, but now I can go in and hang out with the family, so I'm gonna get this done. Cheers.
I'm going back to the place I ran from. Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the billman will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left